Hey guys, welcome to Payroll Chef. It's time to set up your first party for your virtual and your local launch party. So go ahead, go to pamperedchef.com and sign in. Okay, you're going to go to Consultants Corner and I'm going to teach you how to set up your first party. Go to My Shows, click on that, and then click on My Shows and Orders. And you're going to create a new show. All right, your first show is either cooking or virtual party. If it's a virtual party, just click catalog. If it's a cooking, you click cooking. And it's going to ask you if it's a virtual party or not as well. Your start date, if it's a local party, it's obviously your cooking show launch party date. If it's a virtual party, it's the start date that we talked about. All right, and then your end date. And that basically means the end date means that this is how long the show link that people can order from online is going to be open. You can always come back here and change it. However, if someone tries to order after the 19th, it's going to tell them it's not possible to add anything to that order. Okay, so just remember to make sure the end date is a couple days after your launch party. Your start time, pick a time, 6 p.m. 8 p.m. We're done. Okay, it's going to be a station style show or virtual party. Now, when you host your first party, you are the host and the consultant. So we suggest that you put your kids, your dog, your husband as your first host, so you can reap the benefits of a consultant and a host. All right. So we're just kind of going to put in some numbers here. You're going to put an alternative email address. Like I said, maybe you have another one or your husband, and then your address that it might be. All right, and then you click create show. You can put your address. Obviously, you want to put your address. My daughter's hosted lots of parties, so she's already in here. All right, and then here's how you get the show link. You're going to click on show page. Oops. Show page. If for some reason you cannot click on show page and it's like grayed out, that means you have not set up your personal website. That means you need to go hover over your name and go to manage personal website. Go to show page. You can leave pretty much everything the way it is, and this is what's going to appear on the link, on the shopping link. And you're going to go down here, and this is the link I need. This is the link that connects people to this specific party. And I always make it first name, last name. All right, so Claudia Bazaar, whatever your name is, Sandra Smith, right? You confirm it and you copy. And this is the link that I need you to send me, as soon as possible so I can set up your first parties.